Annyeonghaseyo, hello guys! Welcome back to our vlog. I am Ara.
And I am Yumi and we are the co-sisters for today's vlog.
Ayan, samahan nyo naman kami sa A Day in Our Life ganap. So ito na naman kami, nag-online class sa bahay dahil sa heat. Ito pala yung behind the scene of our blended online class. Dahil sa init ng panahon, di kami maka face-to-face class. Yumi have 1 hour online and me half day lang. Tingnan nyo si Yumi, sobrang serious dahil nagsispelling sila. Tinakpan pala ni Yumi yung tenga niya kasi maingay yung classmate nila. Yumi cannot hear teacher what is she saying.
Kasaba man good ang classmate ko te. Dahil mabilis ako sumagot. Ate, unsa mana inaantok ka ba?
Hindi, Ming Oy. Medyo na-bored lang ako kasi nag-play kami ng Simon Says. Medyo malamig kasi dito sa rooming and Yumi prepare her snack. Abaw, dami. Look guys, Yumi prepare her food na pala. Her snack daw.
Food is life man ate. Gutom man ako after class. And afternoon, we are walking to go to my friend house kaso sarado ang gate. Kailangan namin umikot at malayo siya, guys. Sabi daw ni Mami, we use car na lang kasi malayo. At nandito na kami sa friend ko na house. Diyos ko po, ang kalat! Ito pala yung bahay ni Kabi, Race, and Haniel is also here. Fast forward na gaya si Appa magkain kami sa labas. Dahil very good kami at napagod sa online class, Appa bring us here. In our favorite restaurant, Appa ordered jajangmyeon. Look me guys, I put hot chili and sauce. And they also order soju para mag-cheer sila dalawa. Ay ka-sweet. And Appa also ordered this pork. Hindi ko alam anong tawag kaso it is like samgyeopsal. Appa buy jajangmyeon. And also tangsoyop and fried shrimp. And Mommy also ordered her favorite jampong. Kahalang ana, uy! But masarap pala yan, guys. Sabi ko kay Mami, I want to eat the baby octopus but I am scared. Ayaw po, guys. Did you try to eat jampong? Masarap talaga ang Korean food. Look ate, guys. Ate is eating spicy noodle. Sabi ko kay ate, sabayan ko siya. Yummy! Pero nabulingit nga si ate. Dahan-dahan ate, matukan ka. And I give ate water.
Dahil busog na kami, nagkulitan na naman. Thank you Lord sa masarap na food. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Please like, follow, and share po.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!